Consistency, competence, credibility. Virtue's senior NBI agent and forensics video specialist John Mark Calilong put on full display on the witness stand, and whose testimony was straightforward and unassailable, even under great pressure from the defense panel's cross-examination. The full report from our Maribel Custodio.
The House panel of prosecutors expressed confidence in the credibility of National Bureau of Investigation Senior Agent John Mark Calilong during his cross-examination in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte.
He was consistent in his statements, he was credible, and he was competent.
According to Zamora, Calilong was qualified to authenticate the video evidence and execute the affidavit of authentication. When asked to grade the performance of both prosecution and the defense during the first 3 days of the impeachment trial, Deputy Speaker Paulo Ortega V gave the prosecution an A+. He also gave a grade to the defense team.
Siguro masyado pang maaga, pero baka B positive na lang. Para B as in blood. Pero B positive pa din kasi productive naman yung weeks ay yung 3 araw pareho ng prosecutors saka defense.
The prosecution also responded to the defense argument that the Vice President's statement in the presented video evidence was merely a conditional threat.
There is no such thing as a conditional threat.
Hindi ho yan pinapababa kung gaano kamali.
Meanwhile, the prosecution maintained that the strength of the evidence will determine whether Vice President Duterte remains fit to stay in the office. This came after Davao City Mayor Baste Duterte claimed that the impeachment was only being pursued to prevent the Vice President from running for President in 2028.
Everyone's entitled to their own opinion. No? But at the end of the day, ang importante ho dito, pakinggan ho natin pare-pareho at suriin ho natin ng maayos, ng masinsinan ng ebidensya na ilalatag ng magkabilang panig.
NBI Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lotoc, Office of the Vice President Chief of Staff Attorney Zuleika Lopez, and House Representatives Office of the Sergeant at Arms Captain Belinda Bello are expected to take the witness stand next week. Vel Custodio for The Nation.